Hey gamers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're dividing into a topic that doesn't get enough love. Game AI. That's right, artificial intelligence. But I'm not talking about the mindless mobs you cut through like butter. No, I'm talking about the AI that learns from you, that adapts, that straight up outsmarts you when you least expect it. The ones that make you question if you're playing against a machine or a mastermind. Let's kick things off with a game that still has players for its AI. First up is Alien Isolation. Now, this game has one antagonist, the Xenomorph. And trust me, it's more terrifying than any horror movie villain. You see, the AI for this alien isn't scripted. It doesn't follow predictable patterns or routines. Instead, it actually learns from you as you play. If you hide in lockers too often, it'll start checking them. If you crawl under desks, guess what? It'll start searching under desks. And when it catches a glimpse of you, it doesn't just rush in like a brute. No, it stalks you, cuts you off, finds new ways to get you. Every encounter feels fresh, like you've been hunted by a living, breathing monster. Imagine this, you're hiding in a locker, holding your breath, and the alien walks by, then stops. It sniffs the air, looks around, and you're praying it doesn't notice. But the next time you try that, it might be smarter. Now, let's talk about Middle-earth: Shadow of Mordor and its sequel, Shadow of War. These games took AI to the next level with the Nemesis system, and man, this system is genius. The orcs you fight aren't just random enemies, they remember you. They evolve based on your previous encounters. Maybe you killed an orc and thought you were done with him, but nope, he's back, he's angrier, and he's got a scar or a missing eye to remind you that you didn't finish the job. They can even taunt you about how they survived. It makes every encounter feel personal. Imagine running into an orc you barely remember, and he's screaming at you, "You left me for dead, but I'm stronger now." It's a crazy mix of vengeance and unpredictability, and you never know how they will adapt or what weaknesses they will develop.
You think this hurts me? No! I know why you want to kill me! Revenge! Revenge for Sword!
Then, we got The Last of Us Part 2, which brought AI enemies to life in a brutal and realistic way. The AI here doesn't just act like typical game enemies. They communicate, they call out your position, they flank you, and they even grieve when one of their comrades goes down. And you're not just dealing with a single predictable attack pattern. Each group of enemies works like a team, trying to outmaneuver you. It feels like they're coordinating just to make your life a living nightmare. Picture this, you take out an enemy with a well-placed arrow, and suddenly another enemy shouts their name. Yes, their actual name. And they go into a frantic search for you. It adds this emotional weight and intensity to every battle.
They're all dead! Fucking scars killed them!
Spread out. We still could have scars in the building. Watch each other. Someone get to the radio and call this in, now!
By the way, if you made it this far, please subscribe and like, that would help a lot. Next, we have a classic, Fear. If you've never played this game, the AI here is still some of the best in any first-person shooter. The enemies are shockingly smart. They'll flank you, take cover, use environment to their advantage, they'll actually coordinate ambushes and trap you in rooms. It's not just run and go, it's like fighting a small army with real tactics. Imagine turning a corner and finding yourself outflanked because the enemies knew you'd go that way. You'll have moments where you swear they're reading your mind. Can't talk about smart AI without mentioning Halo Combat Evolved. Back when it released, the AI was groundbreaking. The enemies, especially the elites, would adapt to your playstyle. They'd retreat if they were outmatched, regroup, or call for reinforcements. It wasn't just about them shooting at you, it was about them thinking through the battle. And this made every firefight feel dynamic. You know the moment when you think you've got the upper hand, and suddenly the enemies fall back? Next thing you know, they've regrouped and are coming at you with a completely new strategy. Another brilliant example is Stalker, Shadow of the Chernobyl. The AI in this game doesn't just react to the player, it lives its own life. Factions battle each other, creatures hunt, and events happen even when you're not there. It makes the game world feel alive. The AI characters don't exist solely for the player's benefit. They're doing their own thing, creating an unpredictable and immersive experience. You might be sneaking through an area only to realize there's already a firefight happening between AI factions. You're not the center of attention. The world is alive, and you're just a part of it.
Ничего себе,
And finally, we have Civilization 6. Civ is all about strategy, but the AI isn't just trying to win, it's adapting to you. If you're playing peacefully, the AI might take the advantage of that and attack you. But if you're aggressive, they might band together to stop you. They evaluate your playstyle and react accordingly, making every playthrough different. Imagine you're building up your peaceful empire, and suddenly all the AI-controlled civilizations decide to gang up on you. They figured out your weakness and use it against you. It's frustrating and brilliant at the same time. So, there you have it. 7 games with AI that don't just sit back and take hits, but actively challenge you, learn from you, and even mess with your mind. Whether it's the stalking xenomorph in Alien Isolation or the evolving orc captions in Shadow of Mordor, these games push the boundaries of what AI can do in gaming. If you've played any of these games or know of another one with mind-blowing AI, drop it in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more gaming breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.